You can control the blade joystick in the cabin to operate directly, and this is this joystick, yes, to control the blade.你再操作一遍吧。The left one is for the auxiliary pedal for the control attachments, such as the hydraulic cylinder. Yeah, you can find it is easily to operate. And the right pedal. Yes, the right pedal is control for the swing arm. Left and right. Okay. The two pedals in the middle. Back forward moves the machine forward and backward as easily.
High speed.
Yeah, now. Yeah, in high speed. Okay, I want to show the high and low speed button.
This one is the high and low speed. This
Yeah.
one rabbit turtle. Yeah.
The second one?
Second one is the volume light. Yeah, volume light.
And the third is for the hydraulic quick hitch. When you want to use the quick hitch to change different attachment, you need to open it or close it. And the third one is a working light. Yes. Okay.
Okay, 这个是 the left.
The left.
Right.
The right joystick. And
Down.
yes, put it down the bucket. Yes, lift and up and down.
Left and right to control the bucket. Taking bucket. Left, right. Yeah.
Monitor, LED monitor.
Yeah.
看清了吧? Okay, this is the LED monitor. You can check the machine working situation, and this is the radio. And
Yeah, very fun.
yes, and this is the fan. It's very cool in the cabin. And
这个是控制走缸的。
this left joystick is for the bucket cleaner and arm. And there are small one.
Which one? This one. This is for the plate.
And this small joystick is for the blade.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is the handle throttle.
Throttle, yeah.
Yeah, handle throttle. Yeah.
And the two button is for the wiper and water sprinkler. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. And there is the air conditioner.
No,
Okay.
not the air conditioner. This is the heat warmer. Thermometer.
Yeah.
看
Okay.
到这个了，看到这个。
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Heat warmer, not the air conditioner. This one is 没有 air conditioner. 我没来刚才。
Okay. Heating system. Yes.
Yeah, heating system. And you can choose.
Okay.